I'm a man and I know how to do it, if I'm gonna be okay or not. Oh shit. Hi, today we have Xiaomi Faucet Water Purifier. We will check it, we will try to install it, we will try to use it today. Let's open it up. Okay, let's check. Okay, empty. Okay, what we have here. Okay, the main unit. Oop. Okay, I think here we're gonna put the filter. Okay, we can choose between purified water, tap water, and shower water. I think that's the difference between the purified water and shower water. Okay, now, then we have 4 filters. Then we have a plenty different adapters. Let's have a look. Then we have this type of adapter, maybe for hose or the tap, outdoor tap. And then I think it's a wrench. Okay, what else we have here? Okay, I think here we have user manual and warranty notice. That user manual comes in many languages, okay, including Russian and English. Okay, and then additionally we have what do we have? Sandpaper, plenty different seals, I think, and then tape. Now, before we're gonna try it on, what the box tells us, like the box tells that the purified water flow rate is 0.5 liter a minute. That's not much, so mainly maybe for drinking water. Then water temperatures from 4 to 50 degrees. And then I think per filter it can last approximately 80 liters. The life of the filter gonna be like 80 liters. In Chinese website, even if it's a global version, they say it should be fine for like 3 months. So if it's true, then these 4 filters should be okay for 1 year approximately, or 160, 320 liters of purified water. Let's try to install it. Let's see if I'm gonna fail or not. Okay, here we are. It's a bit tight here and I'm not able to put my studio lights, so we will try to work with what we have. Just in case you want to see, I brought the manual, which I'm not gonna use because I'm a man and I know how to do it. Here are the tools. Here is my sink, and then let's try it. I don't want to scratch it, so I will be using a little bit of plastic. Let's try if it works.
Okay, it worked.
Nice. That's what we have in our tap water. Okay.
Let's put it here. Now, I need to check which adapter will work here. Okay, the wrench goes here, and then, okay, okay.
We need to remove the lid and then place it here. Okay, that's quite simple.
Let's find the right size. Okay, that's too big. That was 24. Let's try 22 maybe. I think that's it. We're gonna be using the 22 in my case. Now, as I know, we will be rotating this way. It means I need to put tape in opposite direction. Okay, here's the tape which comes with it. Now, I kind of need to put it here.
That's not that easy, just in case you're judging me.
Okay, I think that should be fine. Okay, let's put it here for now. Okay, interesting. Okay, now, okay. This was covering all the time. I didn't pay attention. Okay. I'm gonna try to avoid covering it.
Okay, I tried my best. Okay, it seems like this can be removed. Oh, now I see how we're gonna use the wrench. It's quite smart. So I'm gonna just put it here and I'll try to screw it. Okay, let's try it. That is not what we need. I think that is not what we need. Okay.
This option failed. There is another one, which is 22N, while this one, 22W. Okay, remove it. And, oh no. Oh no, touch. So that kind of covers. That's not gonna work for me. No. Even this not gonna work for me. This one is way too big, 24. Let me try.
Interesting. It seems like it is M24. While this, yeah, it's not working. So it is M24. I was wrong. Tak, now I'm gonna try again with M24.
This time I will try to wrap it better.
Now, it's not much because I think it's quite tight there. But anyway, we will try. I'm gonna remove it. I'm trying to make it tight, but not way too much because the range is bending. Okay, this should be fine. Now, okay. Oh shit. That was not smart. Okay, I will have to remove it again. Okay, this goes here.
I feel that I should have used new tape again, but I'm too lazy. Okay, now.
Connect and lock it. Okay. We're gonna open it now. We will now use the filter. Okay. It's interesting texture. Okay. Now. Is there any right way? Oh, no, you just push it and that's it. Okay. Now, it should be done. Let me bring some cup and then we will try water. Drinking water from the tap. Now, let's try it. There is a few options like a purified, tap water and shower. Like I'm not sure. Let's try purified one. I will be recording with my other phone too. Tak. Interesting. Okay. Huh. Okay. I don't know what was that. Here I am in my shower. Let's try to drink it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be okay or not, but most probably I'm gonna be fine. Okay, that's how it looks. Now let's try other modes. It should be just tap water. Okay, the pressure here now is much better compared to switching to purified. Oh, okay. And then shower. Interesting. So, at the end of the day, I did not use manual. I should be proud. And we managed to do it. Congratulations. I think I might have missed something about these, but as of now, it should be okay. We will see. You want to see, I brought the manual, which I'm not gonna use because I'm a man and I know how to do it. And we are done trying it. We managed to install it successfully. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I always check all the comments. Thank you so much, and follow my channel as usual to make my cat happy.